car enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you our review of the 2025 Suzuki Alto, a stylish and feature-packed city car that's been redesigned for the modern era. Let's dive in and see what it has to offer. Alto's exterior. First, let's talk design. The Alto's exterior is a real head-turner, with sleek LED headlights, a bold front grille, and a distinctive side profile. The door handles and side mirrors have been designed for a more modern look, and the taillights feature a unique LED signature that adds to the Alto's futuristic vibe. Alto's engine. Under the hood, the Alto packs a 1.0-liter inline-3 petrol engine that produces 68 horsepower and 67 lb-ft of torque. That's plenty of power for navigating city streets or cruising down the highway. Alto's interior. Inside, the Alto offers a comfortable and feature-rich cabin, with premium materials and a touchscreen infotainment system. You'll also find advanced safety features like forward collision warning and lane departure warning, providing added peace of mind on the road. Alto's features. Key features include a 5-speed manual transmission, automatic climate control, and a range of convenience features like a rear-view camera and Bluetooth connectivity. Alto's performance. On the road, the Alto delivers impressive performance, with quick acceleration and smooth handling. And with its advanced safety features, you'll have no problem navigating rough terrain or inclement weather. Alto's price and unique selling points. So, what's the price tag for this incredible city car? Pricing starts at around $10,000, making it a serious value for any car buyer. But what really sets the Alto apart is its unique blend of style, features, and capability, combined with Suzuki's legendary reliability and fuel efficiency. Thanks for watching our review of the 2025 Suzuki Alto. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the section below. And if you're in the market for a new city car, be sure to give the Alto a closer look. We think you'll be impressed.